Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. This episode I have a new product. I've been going crazy about Cerakote, so we get the new trim coat. This one super easy, super simple to do. If you take a picture, it's gonna show you the whole process on the application. So follow that video because this is not gonna be a video where I'm gonna show you step by step. I just wanna show you the before and after. But also, if you guys been following the channel, you guys remember that I have a piece of plastic, piece of trim that I paint half of it a long time ago. Now we have the other half untreated. We want to apply that. I'm going to get my boy to apply that. I'm going to get my boy to apply everything on my RAV4. Very simple, very easy to do, but follow the instructions from Cerakote. Watch that video. Just scan this little barcode and follow that video. It's going to tell you what to do and what not to do. So preparation is always key. Once you do a very good preparation, the application is gonna be super simple. Okay, so let's get to it. So this is a RAV4. My boy already washed the whole trim in the morning. We letting it dry. It's been here for like a couple hours already. Because I don't have compressed air, we need to eliminate any water on the crevices of the trim. So that's why preparation is key. Now this is the before, and I'm gonna show you the after once my boy get done with the application. I'm gonna show you guys so far where my son's at. If you can see right there, he treated the right side and the left side is not treated. You can see the difference, and this is a brand new RAV4 2021. So you can see the difference in there. He already treated all this part. You can see right there on the corner, it's being treated on the step, and on the trim, all that is being treated. Of course, this is brand new trim, but still, you can see that's been treated already, and that's not. Probably you can see the difference in there. Treated, not treated. Okay guys, the RAV4 is done. I'm gonna show you in a minute, but let me show you this piece. My son just finished with this piece. If you guys remember, this one is already really bad. You can see a spot right there that is being damaged by the sun. Nothing that we can do about it. So he applied the product on this part. The middle one is gonna be a test part where the blue tape is, and this is gonna be another part where he's gonna apply the product, but you can see the difference. With Cerakote, nothing painted. So this blue line is a test spot as well as this one. We're gonna put this part again in the same spot we put it last time, over there on the corner of the house. Let it sit for a few months. We're gonna see after a couple of months, see how the part looks. So he's gonna put more Cerakote on this side and it's gonna be done with it. Okay guys, this is done. So I wanted to thank my boy for helping me again with this process. Man, the RAV4 looks good. The trim looks just amazing. Okay guys, so test panel, painted, nothing, Cerakote, nothing, Cerakote. Let's see in a couple of months how it looks. Well guys, I'll leave you with that. I hope you like this little episode. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.